Hey, it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today we're going to talk about the Cedar Fair's Photo Pass, or as they call it, the FunPix Pass. You can buy the pass at the park or you can buy it online. I suggest buying it online. If you buy it online, you can buy a day pass for $33.99. And if you want to buy a whole season pass, it's $66.99. After paying for your FunPix Pass, you'll want to head over to funpixamazingpictures.com. And here you will set up your FunPix account. I suggest using the same email that you used to actually buy your Cedar Fair season pass. Just because it makes it easier, I think, just the linking between the accounts. Using your pass at the park was a little confusing for me. If you buy just the day pass, that one you will actually want to go to. There's 2 locations at the front of the park. I'll put a map up of where you pick up your FunPix Pass. Just make sure to keep your email receipt so you can show them the proof that you've bought the actual pass. After that, I think you can also pick it up at the end of all the rides where you pick up your photos. Now, it's a little confusing though if you are a season pass holder at Cedar Fairs. If you are a season pass holder at Cedar Fairs, you do not need to pick up a FunPix card. You'll actually use your season pass card or the app inside the QR code, and you will scan those after the rides to pick up your photos. That part was a little confusing to me. It's in the fine print on the webpage. Now, to retrieve your pictures after riding a ride at Cedar Fair's parks, you just want to go up to where the photos are displayed, find the photo of you and whoever was with you, and then you'll just remember that number. You want to go up to one of the employees and then just tell them the number. Also, one thing to note too is if you're at the edge of a seat, you can actually have them adjust the photo just a little bit to squeeze those people in. Because my brother in one photo, I'll post a picture of it, you can see he kind of gets cut off the side. But I didn't know that at the time. That's another thing, you can actually have them adjust the photos just a little bit, just so you know. Then afterwards, after you have your whole day at the park and you want to actually retrieve all those photos, you'll just log back into the FunPix site and then you can download all your photos. And as far as I know, these photos get stored in their site for the full year while you have your season pass. I think even for a day pass, I want to say they store them for a full year from the day that those photos were taken. Thanks for watching this little tip video on just how to use the Cedar Fair's Photo Pass. Hopefully I helped you out. Like and subscribe, and check out some of our other videos if you're interested. Thanks for watching.